Hello everybody, going for a little drive. It's hard to believe, but it's the 4-year anniversary of when I first started working on the Mustang. We have come a long way in those 4 years, so I thought on the anniversary of this big event that we would go back and head down to where it all started, down to my dad's house, take her down there so he could see her with the new seats, maybe take him for a ride and all that. Go, pulling back into where it all started. There we go. There's the garage, carport, whatever you want to call it, where she was at. Of course, that my dad's SUV was not there at the time. It was his yellow Vet, which now belongs to my nephew out in California, and it was parked there on the, is it right hand side there. So we've come full circle 4 years ago. She was sitting there covered in mold and mildew and rust and all that, and now here we are, just bringing her down, getting her on the highway and all that kind of good stuff. So yay. Well, there you go. 4 years. It's so hard to believe that this car started off sitting in my dad's garage for 22 years, not going anywhere, covered in mold and mildew. And here we are. She's looking good. She's driving good. You know, still some things to do. Still got the Dakota gauges to put in. Still got, you know, would like to put the power steering in and power brakes at some point, do a disc brake conversion, and, you know, there's still a lot of little things to do, but, you know, she's a runner, a driver, and I can get in her and just go out to the store if I want to with her. You know, she's come a long way. I'm very proud having started this with little to no mechanical capabilities. I've learned a lot along the way. And, you know, yesterday, I took her out to the first car show of 2023 up in a little town just a little ways from here, Auburn, Georgia. And she was one of the few survivors there. A lot of great looking cars there, but I'm very excited. I actually won a little award, my first ever car show award, being cream of the crop. So it was one of the top 15 cars there. So, you know, not like the #1 best car or whatever, but still acknowledge the effort that I've been putting in over the last 4 years. And it felt really good to get that acknowledgement and to see, although she, you know, still looks a little rough with some of the body work, can't tell you how many people came up and just enjoyed looking at the old girl and shared their stories of the car they had growing up or the car their dad had growing up or mom or whatever they remember riding in with me, and it was just a wonderful time going out there and doing that. So I'm going to leave out here, close out with some video, or not videos, but some pictures from that car show. Hope you enjoy it, and again, thanks guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.